Hello, this is a video tutorial for creating class in Google Classroom. Now, in order for you to be in this application, you have to open your browser and go to classroom.google.com. And once that you're in Classroom, make sure that your active account is the one that is provided by the school, because more often than not, you have your own Gmail account and that is set up as a default. So make sure that you have selected your account from the school in order for you to create classes for your students. So in order for you to create class, you have to go to the upper right corner of your screen, and then you can see this plus sign and you have to click that. And you will be given option to either join class or create class. So since this is a video tutorial for creating class, let's click or select create class. Then you will be brought to a small window wherein you can type in all the details of your class. So since this is for demo purposes, let's say this class name is demo class. And the section would be section Violet. The subject would be Google Classroom. And let's say the room number is 413. Right? And then after that, you have typed in all the details, press or click create. Then Google Classroom will be creating your class for you. And then after that, you will be brought immediately to that class. All right. So once it's already set up, you can see in your screen the layout of your class, and Google will immediately bring you up to speed by giving you hints on what you can do, on what are the parts of your classroom. And so I want you, or I would like you to explore those things as you have created, or after you have created your class. So that's it for creating class under Google Classroom.